When looking for your model and date of manufacture on a Mico XP or a Mico XP Max, you are going to remove the car seat shell from the base by squeezing the back release handle. Turn the car seat upside down and locate this white date of manufacture label on the inside of the car seat shell. You can determine your manufacturer date, the model number, and the model name. Before installing your car seat in your vehicle, you're going to want to make sure that you are parked on a level ground and take a look at your seat in the vehicle before it's installed and find the correct angle for level to ground. By doing so, you're going to stand back and look at the red level line that's on either side of the car seat shell and line that up with the ground, not your vehicle, the ground. If you need to adjust the level, you simply take the car seat shell off of the base, and on the front of your base, there's a release lever that you press, and you have 3 different base positions. Once you've determined the correct base position for level to ground, do a double check. As long as you're level, you're ready to get installing. The first step is determining if you want to use the optional load leg. This does reduce the amount of movement in the event of a collision. It is optional though. To install, you simply unfold it from the bottom of the base and make sure that it contacts the floor of the vehicle firmly. We're not going to use that for this video. Now, to install your base with the vehicle seatbelt, you're going to start by opening up the lock-off. It's blue. You're going to remove the vehicle seatbelt and feed it through the base belt paths underneath that blue lock-off and buckle it into the vehicle belt on the opposite side. Making sure to get any twists out of your vehicle seatbelt that may have occurred. You're going to begin to remove the slack from the seatbelt and get a tight install on your base. This base features 2 red to green indicators that will start to turn green as you get a tight installation. Once you feel that it's tight enough, close your lock-off lever and check to see if you have a green installation. I need to take a little bit more slack out, so I'm going to open the lock-off, continue to take slack out of that seatbelt, and close the lock off again. I now have a green installation, and with a quick test, we're not moving more than 1 inch. We do recommend, even though this is a lock off, to still lock your retractor in your vehicle seatbelt. To do so, slowly take out the entire seatbelt. You'll hear a click, and then let it retract back in and take that slack out. At this point, you are good to put your Mico XP or Mico XP Max back on the base, and you can travel as usual.